Snapdragons are elegant, whimsical, and magical flowers, dancing on the breeze without a care in the world, just content to have a bit of space in our beloved gardens. Starting those Snapdragon seeds a few months prior? Well, that can be a little nerve-wracking, but it doesn't have to be, as long as you know the secrets to successfully germinating them. So, what are the secrets? Light and temperature. Give those seeds some light and keep them from getting too warm. They don't germinate well at warm temps and prefer it cooler. 50s to low 60s are perfect. Snapdragon seeds require plentiful light to germinate, like many other varieties such as lavender and poppies do. How do you ensure that they get the light they need? By surface sowing. Surface sowing is the act of placing seeds on the surface of the soil rather than burying them. Let's go through the steps. First, if your seeds were self-saved or potentially saved by someone else and weren't cold treated, stratify them. Simply throw the packet into the freezer for a week or two. This will mimic winter. Some seeds will have very low germination rates when stratification is skipped. Usually this isn't necessary if the seed is coming from a vendor packet. Fill your seed starting container with your preferred moistened seed starting mix or potting mix. Ensure that it's fairly wet and that you press the soil down so that it's not super fluffy. Fluffy soil dries out faster, which can be an issue for surface sown seeds. This also improves seed to soil contact. Scatter the seeds on the surface of the soil and gently press them into the soil so that they have good surface contact. Do not cover them, simply press down gently. Keep the soil moist as you wait for germination. A spray bottle on the misting setting is ideal. Don't soak the soil, just keep the surface moist. Domes help significantly but aren't completely necessary. I don't use them at all, but this is a gamble. You have to keep a close eye on surface moisture. If they dry out too much before successfully rooting, there may be losses. After 7 to 14 days, you should see sprouts. This will vary based on temperature and variety. My Tom Thumb seeds came up several days before my tall mixed variety did. Bottom watering is sufficient once you see germination. Once they germinate, their roots will pull moisture from the soil, making it easier to care for them. I'd like to give an early congratulations for successfully germinating your first Snapdragon seedlings. They require a little more care than some seeds, but it's not too complicated and you'll do great. Thank you for dropping by, and I hope this video helped you out.